Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to dive into. Find a WordPress theme that best suits your needs. Once you select the theme, click on Install button. In this example, we're installing Zever theme. Once the theme is installed, click on the Activate button. You can see that 2 themes are installed. You can activate Astra back whenever is needed. Click on Pages menu on the sidebar, See Panel, to view the existing web pages created. Click on any web page you've already created from Pages list. Review the theme applied to your existing web pages to get an idea to make necessary changes. Click on Pages menu on the sidebar to delete sample pages. Select Test Page and move it to Trash using the drop-down. To help you to know how to start from scratch, we've deleted all the pages to create custom web pages tailored to our brand. Also, we're going to delete all the posts to create custom posts or articles tailored to our brand. We've deleted the theme to experiment, reinstalling theme from scratch. Click on Appearance, Themes, search for Zever. Theme. Click on Install button. Click on Activate button. Click on Pages on the left-hand side menu, See Panel. Click on Add New on the left-hand side menu, See Panel, or on the Add New button on the top of the dashboard. Add a title for your web page, focus key phrase, meta description, and slug for your web page. Change the title as you like to be more apt and trendy on the service you provide value to your customers. e.g., to fix the on-page SEO score on meta description length, we're adjusting the sentence to fit on the web results from the search engine. We just removed the word custom to make it a bit shorter. Please watch our previous video to fix on-page SEO issues.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you for watching.